Humayo mo siya mag-choose ng color ni beige. Ang anong color mo may base.
Next.
Tapos,
Open. Assistant. Makeup artist.
wow, kaninong staff yan? Kaninong
Tintin.
Ah,
Sa cheeks, yung blush on niya.
hindi makeup mo yung eyeshadow muna. O, kasi
Eyeshadow.
ayusin niya muna.
Oh, like this, like tinang so.
Galing ah. Oh, galing ah. Wow, highlighter oh.
Beautiful princess. May blush on.
Okay.
Pretty. Wow, pretty. Abelsi. Beautiful. Beautiful. Where's the lipstick? Oh, assistant. What will I do? Like this? What will I do?
Galing.
Wow! How pretty! Wow! Wow, pretty Loli! Loli is so pretty! Oh, Gabby, makeup artist, you look here! Wow! Smile, Gabby!